Imagine you are a pilot in training named Alex, learning to fly different types of airplanes. Your instructor wants you to be the best pilot, capable of flying in various weather conditions, might be across different terrains and with different kinds of airplanes. Day 1, the first lesson. On the first day, your instructor gives you a specific plane to fly, a small single engine aircraft. The weather is perfect and you are flying over flat open land. You perform really well because the conditions are ideal. You start to think, I'm an amazing pilot. Day 2, same plane, different weather. The next day, you fly the same plane, but the weather is a bit tricky. There are some clouds and light turbulence. You manage okay, but it's a bit challenging to you. You learn that flying in a different weather requires different skills. Day 3, new plane, new challenges. On the third day, your instructor gives you a completely different plane, a larger, faster jet. This plane is nothing like a small one you flew before. The controls are more complex and the weather is stormy. You struggle because you have only practiced with the first plane under perfect conditions. So how I can relate this with the machine learning? The plane is like a model and your flight training is like a model training. First one, training data. First plane, perfect weather. At first, you only trained with one type of plane in perfect weather, similar to training a machine learning model with a very specific data set. Your model performs well on the data just like you did on the first day. Day 2, if you relate with that, overfitting, thinking you are an amazing pilot, you become really good at flying that one plane in perfect condition, but that doesn't mean that you are good at flying all planes in all conditions. So in machine learning, this is called as overfitting. The model performs exceptionally well on the training data, but struggles with the new data because it has not learned to generalize. Day 3, generalization, different planes, different weather. To become a well-rounded pilot, you need to practice with the different planes in various weather conditions. So in machine learning, this means training your model on different or diverse data so it can handle different scenarios. A well-generalized model performs well not just on the training data but also on unseen data. Final lesson, becoming a skilled pilot. By the end of your training, you have flown different planes in various weather conditions. You have learned to adjust your skills to each situation. In machine learning, this is like having a model that is well trained on diverse data, capable of making accurate predictions even when faced with the new challenges. So in the story, your journey as a pilot represents the process of training a machine learning model. Just as you need varied experiences to become a skilled pilot, a machine learning model needs diverse data to perform well in real world situations. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you.